464, contact departure bay.
Delta 464, be advised, we've got a compressor stall number 2 engine. We're going to need to come back in.
Delta 464, copy. Just contact departure 133.0. I'll pass along the message.
Okay, 133.0, that's 464.
And Delta 464, we'd like to request runway headings right now. We have a compressor stall and we'd like to request vectors to come back and land.
Delta 464, Boston, departure, roger. You ready to contact, maintain 3000. You go right back in, you said?
Hey, from that's what we're trying to do.
Require assistance?
Say again?
You require assistance?
A-firm, Delta 464.
Delta 464, roger. Turn left turn heading at 310.
Left turn heading 310, Delta 464.
464 is left turn heading at 310.
Left turn heading 310, Delta 464.
Delta 464, thank you. And are you declaring an emergency? Delta 464, you cleared to the Boston Airport via heading at 270, maintain 3000. Delta 464, you cleared to the Boston Logan Airport via heading at 270, maintain 3000.
Heading 270, maintain 3000, Delta 464. Clear back to the Logan Airport.
Delta 464, when you get a chance, let me know if you're declaring an emergency.
Alright, we'll call you back, Delta 464.
Thanks.
Delta 464, we're going to need delaying vectors so we can troubleshoot before coming back in.
Delta 464, roger, no problem. Do you want to stay at 3000 or would you like higher?
3000 is good for now, Delta 464.
Delta 464, roger. Fly that present heading, maintain 3000.
Heading 270, maintain 3000, Delta 464.
464, I'm going to climb to 4000. Climb to 4000 and turn 20 degrees left.
I climb 4000, 20 degrees left, Delta 464.
464, fly heading at 270. I was going to keep you on a box pattern over there.
Heading 270, Delta 464.
Delta 464, speed is your discretion.
Speed at discretion, Delta 464.
464, turn left heading 180.
Left heading 180, Delta 464.
Delta 464, when you just figure it out, just about your intentions and we'll get you right in.
Delta 464, we'll call you back.
Approach Delta 464, do you have a runway condition code down there?
As of right now, I'm going to have another aircraft do it again, but we have braking action good by a Dash 8, but that was 35 minutes ago.
Copy, thank you.
Delta 464, turn left heading 120.
Left heading 120, Delta 464.
Delta 464, again, we're just going to continue the box pattern until you let us know otherwise, and then you give us a brief synopsis of what's happening.
Roger, we'll let you know as soon as possible, 464. We're almost ready.
Roger that, no rush. Delta 464, turn left heading 030.
464. And approach Delta 464. So we had a pretty significant compressor stall on the number 2 engine. Number 2 engine is still producing power right now. We are returning to Boston overweight by approximately 25,000 pounds. Declaring emergency, making sure we still got that. We would like crash rescue on standby, and if all is good and brakes are not overheating, we will return to the gate under our own power.
Okay, copy all. You're declaring an emergency. Can you get people on board and fuel remaining? We'll have the crash trucks and all that rolled out. And it being 25,000 pounds overweight, do you need anything special from us?
Should not need anything special from you for Delta 464. We currently have 202 souls on board and approximately 6.5 hours of fuel.
202 on passenger, people on board, and 6.5 hours of fuel. Check.
If people are questioning the decision to return overweight, we'd rather be on the ground landing with overweight than engine problems in the ice.
Delta 464, copy all. No problem. Just continue left turn, or turn left. Left turn heading 220, and we'll get you right in. Your game plan is to go in right now, or do you need to delay some more?
Oh, left turn 220, we can go right in, Delta 464.
Delta 464, roger that, we'll expect it. And are you gonna be fast on final, slow on final?
We are going to be fast. We're looking at a VAP of 161 knots.
Roger that, and all goes well, you'll be going off the runway, taxiing off the runway.
A firm for Delta 464.
Roger that. And Delta 464, we're going to set you up for about a 20-mile final, so you're good and stable on the approach. That way there's nobody behind you and nobody in front of you. You'll be the only one. And Delta 464 has information Yankee available. It's a special observation advisory to copy. 464, special observation 1600, observation wind 340 at 6, visibility 3/4 of a mile, light snow, mist, indefinite ceiling 1,400, temperature -13, dew point -16, the Boston altimeter 3055. That's the ILS runway 4 right approach. The runway is wet with 100% dry snow, 1/8 of an inch thick, and the braking action was reported good by a Dash 8 at 1606 Zulu. We have one other aircraft in front of you. We'll try and get a braking action report for you. Delta 464, turn left heading 170. It'll be a modified base turn.
64.
The 464, turn left heading 150 and contact approach 118.25. Take care.
Okay, left turn 150, approach 1825. Thanks for your help, Delta 464. Approach Delta 464, emergency aircraft, turning left 150.
This is the 464 approach, Roger. What speed are you currently doing?
Currently indicating 190 knots, Delta 464.
For the 464, what's the speed is your discretion?
Speed our discretion, Delta 464.
So the 464, turn left heading 110.
Left turn 110, 464.
So the 464, turn left heading 060, intercept runway 4 right localizer.
Left turn 060, intercept 4 right loc, Delta 464.
Delta 464, 6 miles from Nabo. Maintain at or above 3,000 to establish on the localizer to ILS runway 4 right approach.
Okay, at or above 3,000, cleared for the ILS 4 right approach, Delta 464.
So the 464, maintain at or above 2,000 altitude established on the localizer. There is a Airbus 320 on about a 3-mile final. We'll pass along a updated braking action report.
Okay, at or above 2,000 till established, and thanks, we'll expect that Delta 464.
You're welcome. Delta 464, contact tower 134.05, 3405.
3405, Delta 464, thanks for your help today. Tower.
Delta 464 Boston Tower, following an Airbus on short final, runway 4 right is cleared.
Right.
Delta 464, runway 4 right, RVR is 4,000.
Copy, thanks, Delta 464.
464, previous arrival, the Airbus reported braking action medium.
Copy, making action medium, thanks, Delta 464.
Emergency equipment to take the wheel.
Delta 464, roger, and you can just see Romeo short on November then.
Romeo short on November.